Good morning, it's the 16th of October 2025. We're at the first hole at Melbourne House, and we're trying to improve an area of land between the fairway which flows round the pond towards the first greens approach. So this morning we've got the guys in, we're doing some sandbanding to try and keep the area dry. We've got a Redexum coming behind, putting in some more holes. We've mixed some seed in the sand that the sandbander's using to try and get that seed in the ground, and then Stuart's coming behind with a Redexum, making more holes, and then we'll brush the sand around with hopefully the seed as well, which will go into the holes and try and get a better grass coverage in this area. So the Sandmaster's going fine here. Getting the bands. These bands are linking up to drains already in the ground. Stuart's coming over the sandbands with the Redexum carrier, converting drain, punching out more holes. Like I said, we'll then brush the sand, and hopefully some will go down the holes to the seed, and we'll get a good germination. We'll get some fertiliser on, and hopefully we can get this area playing a little bit better.